Hello, how is everyone doing? Today I'm going to show you how to disable the warning and data limit on your phone. Generally, this type of configuration is already enabled by default on our phones, and when we reach that data limit, our mobile internet is basically cut off, preventing us from accessing different types of networks, websites, or videos on the YouTube app. Some may refer to datas as another type of reference, but basically, it's the monthly plan that our telecommunications company gives us to use for an entire month. In my case, I'm using Personal, and as you can see, I have a 6 GB monthly plan, of which I only have 4 GB available. So, once we exceed a certain amount of data, we will receive a warning, and if we exceed that warning, when we reach the data limit, we will automatically be left without an internet connection on our mobile phone, except when we are connected to a Wi-Fi network. To solve this problem and disable it, we have to go to the phone settings, go to where it says Internet and Networks, and then go to Mobile Network. Depending on the model, we will go to an option that says Warning and Data Limits. We touch here to enter, and as you can see, I have set the warning to notify me when I exceed 2 monthly gigabytes, and when I reach 3 GB consumed, the data is automatically disabled until the monthly cycle is renewed and data becomes available again. To disable the warning and data limit, we simply turn off the option that says Configure Warning and Set Data Limits. This way, we will basically disable the warning and data limits on our Android device, and by doing so, we will be able to purchase a new data pack within the monthly cycle to continue using the mobile network. So, if you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from Balmatech, and I'll see you in the next video.